when you get into maintenance in inaccessible spaces and you need something that is let's talk about this, is imperfect, is an imperfect solution, but nevertheless something that is going to give you year in and year out activity, but you can't access it without ripping up a floor or something like that. A combination of, and we're not talking about this today, but Deuterion fumigation on the front side to mitigate spores and hyphae and things like that in a fumigated treatment, followed by fogging a solution of Fortify at a 2-to-1 ratio. It's a concentrate, right? So 2 parts water to 1 part Fortify into a space gives you about the best that you're going to get in terms of mitigation of spore and hyphal growth, along with protection on those surfaces, okay? So think of this as the imperfect solution, but nevertheless a helpful solution to especially inaccessible spaces.